How to log in or sign in into YouTube TV. Now, doing this method is just by doing any other platforms that you're using directly from your YouTube software. Now, if you're using the application directly from YouTube, then signing in is just around the corners. And if you're also using your preferred web browser, then I can go ahead and show you how you can do that. Then here, just pull up any browser that you want to use and then just search in here for YouTube TV. Now hit on enter, and then I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be on the first result. Now just click on tv.youtube.com. That will take you out to their official website. And then for you to be able to log in, all I have to do is just to click on sign in right here. Now, if sign in option right here is not going to be showing, then you just have to do click hash and cookies directly from the browser that you're using. And that's it. That's how easy you can go ahead and log in or sign in into YouTube TV.